Hello viewers, in this video we're going to take a look at Inventaa's all-new Aara, the LED multi-purpose light. This light consumes 12 watts an hour and comes in two color variations, 6500 Kelvin for cool white and 3000 Kelvin for warm white. To find this product, you just need to check on the product code. Let's take a look. ILB12C, where C denotes that it's cool white and Y denotes warm white. 12 denotes the number of watts consumed an hour. Now let's unbox this powerful product and let's see what's inside. When you unbox this, you'll find the light itself being inside the box. Moving on to the product's features. Both the body and the diffuser of this light is expertly crafted from a high-grade polycarbonate material, making it unbreakable and resistant to color fading. Inside the light, you'll find high-quality 360-degree LEDs that produces excellent brightness with zero dark spots and LED glares, which prevents your eye from straining. This makes this light a perfect replacement for any CFL bulbs. Additionally, this comes with a 4 kVA surge protection driver, which helps stabilize high voltage fluctuations. In case this light needs a repair, the brand also offers you a 1-year warranty period. Both the product and the driver are BIS registration certified, and it's also 5-star rated for bulb. This bulb is perfect for B22 and E27 type holders. It's totally optional and it's up to you. Now let's check the light in action. We are now going to plug the light in the current supply. Wow, the light emits rich and royal glow, making it perfect for your space. Finally, we reached the end of this video, and it's worth mentioning that all of Inventaa's light are currently being manufactured completely in India, with its mass producing unit currently situated in Pallikaranai, Chennai. If you have any product related queries or need assistance with replacement or warranty, don't hesitate to call the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now, or reach out to us at support@inventaa.in. Thanks for watching the video.